If he's got enough guts to crawl up there.
He ain't got enough werewolves because they're gone now. So we went, bought animal feed, all that. So we're gonna go feed the animals before we leave. Got cages, we're gonna put the chickens in. We're gonna have to cut the cone off the dog, put them in the truck, and then hopefully get on the road so we can be in Austin by 2 o'clock. Just missed the lunch traffic, missing the 5 o'clock traffic. Then we'll go around San Antonio, down. We'll see how this goes. You hungry? Here, let's go this outside. You hungry?
So I am going to check on the rabbit and give her some banana peels that we have before we go, and then we have to chase all the chickens that we are going to take. That'll be fun, and then get the pup ready and load everybody up. She is happy as can be. She absolutely loves banana peels, so we eat a lot of bananas and we always give them to her. That's kind of our way of spoiling her. But now's the fun part, chasing the chickens.
Here, let me get in there. Stay right here on this side. Scared this one?
Ow, it bit me.
Well, they're all out of here. Keep them in the barn. Alright, so now it's just a small one left. treats for kids. All right, so we got all the little ones, and now let's try to catch some big ones. So we caught all the small ones because, and I'm out of breath, we don't want them getting out of the fence and the dogs can chase them and stuff. Knowing our luck, they will, so we're just gonna take them all with us. We can kind of pick and choose when we're there, what my parents want, what we want, and then we'll just bring the other small ones back. But the 3 big reds, they're great laying hens. We know that they produce very well, so my parents are gonna love them. And then, like I said, the little ones, we'll just bring back half of them. So we just don't want them to get out in the fence and come back home with some dead birds while we're not here to watch because Jared's gonna be at work all day. So I'm gonna catch my breath, pack this stuff up, and go.
Got all 8 little guys, they're all huddled up. And then we have these 3 over here, these 3 reds that are coming with us. So all of these could probably fit in like this one bigger cage, but we don't want to put the big chickens with the little ones just in case they get irritated with the drive, and they're still pretty small, so we don't want them pecking at each other or anything like that. So we decided it'd be best just to separate them. So we have been driving for how long?
What time we leave?
10:30-ish?
We'll say 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. 4 hours.
So we've been driving for 4 hours.
We are 46 miles from San Antonio.
Close to San Antonio. I'm dog tired. I'm sure Jason's very tired.
I am trying to clean my teeth for my close-up shots because I've been eating cereal.
We got a bag of honey bunches of oats, and I had some muffins, and Jason bought like a ton of donuts.
We raided the clearance section.
Yeah, we always do that. That's like our thing. We like to go straight to the pastry clearance department.
It's the same stuff, and you're gonna eat it before the expiration date. So, if my mom taught me anything, it's how to save money.
So we've got some good cheap snacks. So we're set till we get there.
But we got a little bit longer. But I think old pup in the back's been doing great.
Yeah, he's been doing
Look
awesome.
at this. Look how he's been sitting the entire time.
Pups, you all right? Doing okay? Oh, yeah, you're doing okay. I would say that he's doing all right.
I think by the time we get to my parents, he's gonna be ready to eat something. We didn't want to give him any food on the trip because he might throw it up. The only other time he's ever been in a car was go to the vet.
Yeah, and he threw up all in the crate, in their crate, not with us because we didn't take him in a crate. But he seems a little nervous. He's drooling a lot, but other than that, he's doing fine. I think he'll be all right.
I can't wait until my parents get to meet him, and then we get the chickens out, which the chickens are in the back, and I think they're doing fine. It's a nice, cool day, I guess. It's not 100 degrees, so I think they're doing all right. But I just can't wait to see my parents' reaction for the chickens and the dog.
You guys, we brought our swimming clothes. You know why? Because it's a lot warmer down here than it is in Dallas.
Yeah. It should be like in the 80s or 90s.
So we might jump in the pool this time around.
Yep.
On purpose.
On purpose. Maybe I'll push my mom in if she don't want to get in.
I don't know. We'll
Get it
see.
fixed, and they said if we see any fleas or ticks on, let's reenact the entire thing.
What happened?
So, Jaylena didn't have her phone, but brought him out here, and he peed all over the place. He didn't pee not once down here. And as soon as he got here, he peed in the back seat because he was so excited. But he was nervous, but look at him. He's good now. He got a big old yard too, so you know, property. He has enough, the same amount of room to run around. Yeah. No, he's good with goats and chickens. But that's it. So y'all almost have as many dogs as us
10
now.
years old, 5 months old.
What were the 2 names you were going with?
I was going with Dusty or Cody.
Dusty or Cody?
And I'm thinking, since my goat is named Rusty, I thought maybe I'll just go with Cody.
I like that name.
Cody Crocker.
Cece.
So
He's a big one.
sweet.
Pretty good.
Having that anymore.
That one's a rooster, isn't it?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
But the rest, I think, are hens.
That'd be crazy if they were all hens.
Well, that one's
Yeah,
not.
that's
Well, that's what
definitely a rooster
I'm saying.
there.
All the other ones.
They look like they are. I got another post. I'm gonna attach it to the top board there and bury it. And I have some 2x4s for the wall. Well, I have the leftovers in that room.
That's a cool sight seeing all this. I think he's getting along pretty good here. But look at all the chickens and goats and the dogs.
Sounds like Stainer.
Got that pretty-
The chickens are going at it.
Like 3 eggs a day. It adds up quick.
Yeah.
We brought 4 dozen eggs
Wow.
down, and that was all just we. So we just gave them the chickens and the dog. What'd y'all think?
Love them.
Absolutely love the chickens, and the dog is bigger than I thought. I love him. He's going to be a good companion for Sarge, I think.
How much bigger do you think he is than you thought he was going to be?
Well, for his size, I mean, I knew he was going to be big, but I didn't think he would be.
Not a 5-month-old dog that big, as big as your 15-year-old or 10-year-old.
Yeah, he's pretty good size.
So out of those chickens, which ones are you eyeballing? Or the small ones?
The little red ones, they look pretty neat. I think they'll do great with those other bigger red ones.
Not the speckled ones, because those are Jaylena's.
And I know she likes the speckled ones.
Well, I just want to breed them, so we'll bring some of those back at a later time.
So the weather, is it swimming pool weather?
Yes.
Because Jaylena packed our swimsuit.
Actually, yeah,
It
it got pretty warm today. It was like 91 degrees today, so it was, or maybe it was 91 yesterday. Not quite as warm today because the wind was blowing out of the north, but it's nice.
Y'all think he's doing okay? That he's comfortable?
Come on, he
He's a
loves
good
us
boy.
already. Look at that.
He's a good
He's our fella.
Yes, he is. He's a good.
Look at that.
He's a good boy.
So we're super tired. We drove down, took almost 8 hours. We only stopped twice.
Yep.
And I think we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day. And then tomorrow we'll show you a quick tour of the barn, as you can see. And then we'll show you more of the finished fence and all that cool stuff. And then our older brother Matt's gonna be here. Then we're gonna go to the ranch and we're gonna camp. So it's gonna be a good day. But Mom, what do we always tell them at the end?
Subscribe to our channel, their channel.
No, it's Crocker Homestead.
Okay. Do the notification bell. Check them out on Facebook, Instagram.
And what else?
Pinterest.
Crocker Homestead family.
And how much does it cost to subscribe to a YouTube channel?
0. So if there are any old people out there like me that think, well, you subscribe to a magazine, you're going to pay for it. It's free. It's like liking somebody on Facebook. So subscribe now and hit that like button.
There you go. You heard it from the OG Crockers. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.